2004 Pontiac Grand-Prix GTO. We're going to change out the radio. First thing you're going to do is remove this little knob for the key cylinder, and you pry out this entire black trim. Carefully pop this out, and you can access the screws for a bunch of 7 mils you got to take out. So you can use either 7 mil or Phillips. You do need to take the heater control out because it overlaps along with this pocket underneath, I think. No, I think you gotta take the pocket out too. No, the pocket is. I guess you can squeeze that out, but it's easier if you remove just 2 more screws down here. All right. Yep. We're gonna disconnect that, and we're gonna use a pack module, LCGM24, and the GM10 antenna adapter. We are doing a SoundStream CD DVD player with Carplay Android Auto. This is a pack interface module, enables the power. And this is an antenna adapter for GM antenna. Wiring is simple. All you have to do is match the color to color. That's it. Whatever don't match, don't use. The dash kit comes with a side mount. It's labeled left and right.
Oh, you got the key? Drive it moving away. Dame tape, papi, por favor. Sí. Sí.
Faites tout agent autorisé, faites tout correspondant, faites.
International.
Sous chaîne 14 Télé Quisqueya, sous chaîne 14 Télé Haïti.
En este momento está despejado y la temperatura es de 68 grados.
Mételo, papi. Por aquí.